Dear students, we will perform an activity now. But for this, you have to do some preparation. Be ready with pencil, scale and notebook. Are you ready by now? Let's start. Draw a parallelogram of any measurement. Any measurement means that you can choose dimension as you want. Any side of any length. I think by now you are done with the diagram of parallelogram. Now measure the opposite sides of this parallelogram and note down the length. What did you observe? Yes, the opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. Isn't it so? So, you have found that the opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Now measure the angles of the parallelogram. It might be possible they also have some pattern in it. So, are you done with it? What did you observe? Yes, opposite angles of the parallelogram are equal. One more thing you might have noticed. What is that? What about the adjacent angles of the parallelogram? Adjacent angles of the parallelogram are supplementary. That means that their sum is 180 degree. Now draw the diagonals of the parallelogram. What are the diagonals? Line segments joining the opposite vertices of a figure. So draw the diagonals of the parallelogram and check whether the diagonals bisect each other or not. Bisect means that they divide one diagonal into two equal parts. That means that the point of intersection divide the diagonal into two equal parts. Yes, the diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. Opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, adjacent angles are supplementary and diagonals bisect each other. Now you know all the properties of parallelogram. So make a chart of the properties of parallelogram.